Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, August 1st, 2022. Let's find out what is going on the Forex calendar today. The key events of today are right now on your screens. We have already seen Caixin Manufacturing PMI data from the China, and it is a nice disappointment. 50.4 is actual reading. Forecast was 51.5 and the previous reading was 51.7, so the manufacturing PMI is down 1.3 point. This is somehow huge for the Chinese economy. During the London session we have a German manufacturing PMI and of course UK manufacturing PMI data scheduled for release at 5 to 10 and 10:30 accordingly. During the New York session we got ISM Manufacturing PMI data from the US scheduled for release 4 p.m. So PMI day for the markets, and we will see whether this data will be a trigger for some important market movements. Let's find out what is going on the markets from the technical point of view. Because of the manufacturing PMI data from China, we are going to take a look at the market of spot gold. Spot gold market daily time frame chart. We can easily see that right now the market after the data was published is going higher. The technical resistance located at 1753 had been violated. Right now we are trading at the 30-day moving average around the level of 1760. However, the local high was made $1,767 per ounce of gold. Today there is a chance for the market to rally a little bit higher towards the level of 1780, 1787, and those two levels are very important for all of the gold traders, because here there is a very close proximity to the trend line marked in orange, of course, and this is why this is a very important level. So please keep an eye on the current development on the spot gold market. Any breakout higher will open the road towards first 1878. Let me just find out if I can put it on the chart. There you go. 1878. This is the next target, and the other one is 1890. Right now the biggest increase was around 5%. However, this one might be even longer right now, almost 5.18. well, yeah, almost the same, of course, in terms of the price. So a very interesting thing is right now being played out by the market participants. Positive momentum. We broke above the level of 50. It looks like the market participants want to test the trend line resistance. The outcome will be updated shortly, so please stay with the gold spot gold market analysis tomorrow as well. Let's find out what is going on the Australian dollar. Daily time frame of the Australian dollar to the American dollar is being picked out by me because of the Chinese data, and they are very closely linked to the commodity currencies like Australian dollar. What do we have here? Very nice breakout. We can see first the rejection, then accumulation, little bit of the accumulation and show of strength, breakout above the trend line resistance, then the test. Very interesting candle here, green pin bar. If that would convince anyone, then it's a good point to start the rally higher for the Aussie dollar. Basically, that should be a sign that the bulls are strong. The bulls are strong on the Australian dollar because of the green pin bar. It looks slightly like a doji, however it's not a doji. local top around the level of 7,041 pips. This breakout opens the road above the towards the level of 72 pips, of course, but then even the rally towards the level of let's say 7,282 is possible. So please keep an eye on the current developments of the Australian dollar. Of course, we can measure the recent increase. The recent increase was, as you can see, around 6.63, and the last increase here is already 5.40. So if we rally above the level of 7,041 pips, there is a very good chance that this will be the overbalance and the new cycle to the upside, because the level of 7,282 pips is at 9%. So that rally here will be the biggest rally during the downtrend. That means this is not a part of the downtrend anymore, and this is completely new cycle with that kind of a rally. Its range of the rally, it's very possible we will hit the highs from the beginning of the April, located at 7,665. However, first, technical resistance 7,072 pips needs to be violated. So this is the current outlook for the Australian dollar. Let's find out what is going on the US dollar index, because Australian dollar is going up. So what is the US dollar index doing? Exactly, it's going lower towards 105.02, because this is the technical support, and the nearest technical support 105.78 had been violated already. So right now the US dollar index is under the bearish pressure. Why? Because we have a multi-month divergence between price and the momentum. We broke below the level of 50, so the neutral level is now no longer being accepted by the bears, and we going lower towards the level of 40 and then 30, because right now it's 45. So bears are in charge of the US dollar right now. This is kind of a strong pullback. Minus 3.88% is located at 105.2, so that might be the biggest correction since this one, and that was made at the end of the May. So if we break below 105.2, which is why my blue arrow is here, then of course we can assume that this move to the downside after the bearish engulfing, after the spin bar, is a part of some kind of a bigger cycle, of some kind of a different cycle that is not a part of this uptrend anymore. So we might just be witnessing the reversal on the US dollar index. Please notice that this uptrend had started basically at the beginning of the year. This is the 5th of the January, first rally towards the end of the March 2021. Then again we're going lower towards the end of the May 2021, and since 25th May 2021 there is nothing except a rally towards 109.25 or even higher, 109.27. okay, so this is a pretty impressive rally if we just measure it just like that. Okay, this is 22%, at least 22% rally in the US dollar. We need a correction, and the biggest correction this year might be that one from 2022, right? Might be this one that we are working on right now. So please keep an eye on the current developments on the US dollar index, because it looks kind of interesting, and might be the outlook might change for the US dollar index, at least for the short term. And for the mid term, the game changing level is 105.02. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.